Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Make It Easy. In today's video, we will discuss about Tableau Technical Interview Questions Part 1. So in this Part 1, I have covered most commonly asked Tableau Technical Interview questions. In most of the technical interviews, these questions are very important. One should get prepared these interview questions so that definitely he will crack his first round. Of interview. That is a technical round of interview. Okay, so I will start my questionnaire now. So the first question asked is what is the difference between TWB and TWBX file? This TWB and TWBX are the file extension in Tableau. .twb file is an XML file contains the selections and layouts, while the .twbx file is the zip file. It is a packaged file containing TWB file and data source. Means in .twb file data is not present, only the selections whatever we have used in row shelf or column shelf or in marks card are this layouts is present, only data is not present. So this file, that is twb file alone, is not enough to perform analysis. In .twbx file we can perform analysis without any internet connection or any other source of information, because data is already present in TWBX file. When we unzip this TWBX file, you will see there is a TWB file and data source also there. That is what data that worksheet is contains. Okay, so see, here is I have answer of this question here. You can see what is the difference between TWB and TWBX file. Okay, so this is contains selections and layouts only, and TWBX contains zip file in it containing TWB and data source. So TWB contains it is alone is not sufficient for perform analysis. Okay, and TWBX file contains data also, so it will perform analysis alone. Okay, we'll moving to the next question now. So what is the difference between live and extract database connection? This is the most frequently asked interview question. One should know the difference between live and extract, because these are the basics, these are the basic technical knowledge we can say. Interviewer first ask this question always, otherwise they will not forward you in the next round of interview. Okay, we'll discuss this what is live and what is the extract. So the live is a real-time database. Whatever changes we are making in database will get reflected into the visualization also. Okay, so this is a live connection. And live connection is whatever we will do in the database will reflect into the visualization. So because of this live connection, it will may cause performance issues also. Performance slow as compared to the extract connection. So what is the extract database connection? Extract database connection is the connection where one can use anywhere without any database connection. We are making the changes into the database. Okay, it is a static snapshot of data to be used by Tableau data engine. It is an means publishing this data somewhere else, and this extract file we are using in our visualization for creating different visualizations. Okay, let's see the answer. What is the live? Okay, live is a real-time database. Changes in data will reflect in visualization. Performance slow as compared to other, that is other in the sense it is an extract. What is extract? Extract can be used anywhere without any database connection. Extract is a static snapshot of the data. Okay, and extract connection should be refreshed. We are scheduling refresh on the weekly basis, sometimes it is monthly basis, quarterly basis. This extract should get refreshed so that we will get updated data. Okay, there is one way to set up this schedule. This refresh schedules is doing via Tableau server. Okay, the next question is, what is the difference between set and group? So sets are the custom fields that define a subset of data based on some conditions. We are giving some conditions to create a set. And what is a group? Group is a combination of members that make higher level of categories. I will show how to create set and groups. Okay, I have my Tableau open. I am connected to sample superstore. In that orders table I am using. Here if I want to create a set, I will go to a dimension, select the dimension, right click on it, select create. In that I will create a group or set. First I will create a set, click on set. Here you will see the conditions where you will create set. In general is there, then condition is there, from which by applying any condition you can create a set here. In top, here also you will give a condition where from which you will create a set. I want to create a set of top 10 customers by profit. Okay, I will select profit. I will click on OK. So the set is getting created here. Now I will drag this customer names here and profit here. Now drag this set into the filters. You can see top 10 customers set is getting created here. Okay, this is a set where we have defined a condition to create a set. Okay, if I want to create a group, the same thing we can apply. We can select the dimension. In that dimension, this is a dimension I have customer name. In that dimension, specific members of the dimension I will select. Suppose I want to create a group of top 3 customers. You can see there is a directly you can create group from this icon. That is, this is for creating group and this is from creating set. So you can create group from this clicking on this icon, that is pin icon. Click on that, you can see the group is getting created here. I can rename this group. Okay, this is for top 3 customers. Okay, likewise you can select other 3 and create a group. You can see the group is getting created. You can alias whatever you want. Second one. Okay, like this you can create a group. You can create a group and click on the dimension, right click on that, the same like we have created set. Right click on this, create group. Here also you can create a group. I will select how much customers I want and create a group. You can see the group is created here. I will give the name. Okay, this is a group. So I hope you have understood the difference between set and group. The next question, which is very important in Tableau technical round of interview, is what is the hierarchical field? How we create the hierarchy in Tableau. So what is hierarchy? Basically, hierarchy is used to check the granularity of data. We will use it for drilling down data, drilling up to the data. I have covered this hierarchy in my one of the video lecture. I will provide this link in my description. Okay, this is how we can create hierarchy. You can get the application of this question in my this video. I will provide the link. You can check the link in description. So there are different filters in Tableau. This is one of the majorly asked question in Tableau interview. What are the filters in Tableau? So there are many filters in Tableau, and there is also order of operation these filters. So first filter, that is the extract filter. Extract filter is used when we extracting the data in Tableau. I will show you how to use extract filter in my next video. Okay, there is a data source filter also. So data source filter is same as extract filter, but when we use extract filter, when there is a extract connection, while extracting a data, how much data we want in data source in Tableau, that time we use extract filter. Before loading the data into the Tableau, we are using extract filter, but the data source filter, we can apply this filter in live database connection also and extract database connection also. In both connections we can use data source filter, and after loading the data into the data source in Tableau, we can apply this data source filter. Okay, so the basic difference in between extract and data source filter is extract filter can be used only in extract database connection, but data source filter can be used in both connection, that is extract connection and live database connection also. There is a context filter also. Okay, context filter is one of the important filter in Tableau. When we apply a filter into a context, temporary table is getting created of that field in the background in Tableau. It is a separate table, and the next filter which we are applying, that is a child filter, whatever we are applying will get applied on the top of that temporary table. This is a context filter. So instead of getting data or filtering data from database, data is getting filtered from the temporary table, so the performance is faster in case of context filter. In most of the interview questions, what is the context filter and the limitations and advantages of context filter is getting asked. This is also one of the most commonly asked interview question. What are the dimension filters? Dimension filters, simply we can drag and drop this dimension into the filter shell. We can apply a filter there, that is dimension filter. And measure filter is same as dimension filter. We will drag the measure into the filter shell, that is measure filter. I will show you how to use this all the filters. Then there is a quick filter. Quick filters are the filters when we apply a filter and right click on that filter, you will get show filter section. That is, you can see one legend, filter legend in the right side of the Tableau. There we can change the filter quickly. Click on the checkbox, click on radio button, we can change the filter immediately. That is a quick filter in Tableau. There are almost 6 types of filters, that is extract filter, data source filter, context filter, dimension filter, measure filter and quick filter. And the order of the operation of these filters are the same like this. First is extract filter is getting operated, then data source filter, then context filter, then dimension, and then measure and quick filter. That is the filters in Tableau. I hope you have understood these filters in Tableau. I have next part of technical interview questions, that is part 2. I will cover these questions. What is the difference between tree map and heat map? Name the components of dashboards. What are the difference between joining and blending? I will show what is joining and how we can blend the data in Tableau. What is .td file? What is the difference between discrete and continuous? These all questions I will cover in my next video. I hope you have understood these questions in part 1, which I have covered in this video. In part 1, the questions which I have covered in this video are very important for first round of technical interview of Tableau. If you find this video very helpful, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I upload my next video. Thank you and bye bye.